Okay children, welcome to the online class. Now I want to recall about SMS. Use social distance. Okay, maintain social distance. Use mask and use sanitizer and wash your hands regularly. Okay. Now, in the last session, what we studied fraction. What is mean by fractions? What are the parts will be there in the fraction? How many types of fractions? How can we represent fractions? Okay. Now, how many types of fractions are there? 3. What are they? Proper, improper, mixed. Okay. Proper fraction means numerator will be less than the denominator. That is, suppose 3 by 5. Numerator is less than the denominator is a proper fraction. If you write like this 5 by 3, numerator is greater than the denominator, it is a improper fraction. Then mixed fraction means a whole number along with a proper fraction. A whole number along with a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Every improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Okay, that we studied. Now, the pictorial representation of a mixed fraction. Pictorial representation. Pictorial representation of a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means by picture how can you show the mixed fraction. For example, 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 is there. 2 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Why? Because 2 is a whole number, 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. This you have to show on a pictorial representation, means by picture using. For example, I want to take 2 rectangle boxes. 2 is a whole number, no? So for that, what I will take 2 rectangle boxes I am taking. Okay, 2 rectangle boxes. See, this is one. This is one. And this is one more rectangle box I took. Okay. Now, what I will do? 2 is the rational part now. 2 is the whole part. So, first I will shade this one. See. Like this I shaded first box. Okay. Second also I shaded. I am shading second box also. See, second box also I shaded. 2 box over. Now 2 whole number over. Now 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means again I have to take one more rectangle box, and here full box I am not shading. I am not shading full box. I am not shading full box. Which part I will shade? Fourth part means first I will divide the given rectangle box into 4 parts. In that what I will do? Only fourth part I will shade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full. This is what? Whole part. Then 1 by 4th part I want to shade. Means this one. 4th part, no? 3 parts I didn't shade. In whole part, see here. Otherwise, if you are not understood, I will take 1 by 2 only. Okay? If you are not understood, this 1 by 4 I will explain afterwards. See? half I am taking. 1 by 4 I will explain afterwards. Here 1 by 2 I am taking. 2 1 by 2. So 2 whole parts I took. Half part. Half part means which one? In one, 2 parts are there? No. So 2 parts. In that 1 by 2 means only one part I will shade. One part I will shade. So in this 2 parts, only one part I shaded. Understood? Okay. Similarly, in 1 by 4, 4 parts, one part you have to shade. Okay. How much numerator will be there? That much of parts you have to shade. Okay. Now, this is the pictorial representation of a mixed fraction. Now, what is mean by equivalent fractions? 1 by 4 now you understood I think. 1 by 4 means 4 parts you divide and in that one part you have to share. See, one more I will say, one more mixed fraction I want to take. What is that? 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 means now 3 whole part, 3 by 4 is a fractional part. Suppose I want to take circle form now. This is rectangle over no? Circles I will take. 3 circles. 1, 3 is a whole part. No, first I will take 3 circles. 2, 3. Now 3 circles. What the whole part will be there? That you have to shade it first. 3 is the whole part. So these 3 circles. Three circles you have to shade. Okay, ma'am. 3 circles you shaded. Now, what about the 3 by 4 in proper fraction? Again, I will take one circle. Now, what I will do now? I will make the circle into 4 parts. First, I will make the circle into 4 parts. Okay. Now, in that, what is the numerator is there? 3. So, 3 parts I have to shade. 3 parts I have to shade. This one. 1. This is 2. Okay. This is 2. And this is 3. 3 parts. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Okay. This is the pictorial representation of a mixed fraction. Pictorial means picture. By taking any shape you can take. Okay. Any shape you can take, you can do the pictorial representation. Now you got 1 by 4. 1 by 4, only 1 by 4 you have to draw. How can you draw only 1 by 4 representation I want? 1 by 4, only 1 by 4 pictorial representation I want. So what I will take now? I want to take one big square. One big square I will take. See, this is a square I took. Okay, here mixed fraction no, only improper. Mixed means whole number will also there. Here whole part is not there. Only proper fraction I take. Now, I took only proper fraction. Now what I will do? Denominator is 4. So, I will divide this one into 4 parts. I will divide this square into 4 parts and only numerator is 1. That's why I will shade only numerator part. That is 1. Now this is 1 by 4. Out of 4, how many parts I shaded, ma'am? Numerator is 1. That's why 1 only I shaded. If the numerator is 2, I'll shade 2. If numerator is 3 like this, 3 parts I will shade like that. Understood? Now, equivalent fractions. I hope this you are understood. Now, equivalent. What is mean by equivalent fractions? equivalent fractions. Okay, suppose here 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a proper or improper? Proper. 3 by 5 is a proper. Why? Because numerator is lesser than the denominator. Now this one I want to change into a equivalent fractions. Equivalent means when you are taking any fraction, if you simplify it, again you have to get the first fraction. That is called equivalent. So how can you get the equivalent? What the fraction is given, that you should multiply 1 by 1 means this only you will get. So you have to start with 2. So multiply by 2 numerator as well as denominator also you have to multiply 2 by 2. Then what the fraction you will get, ma? 3 2s are 6 by 5 2s are 10. Okay, again this one. Again if you multiply 3 by 5 into 3 by 3, then what you will get? 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Like this. Again suppose I want to multiply 5 by 5. Then what I will get? 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Then how you can show this is an equivalent fraction of this? See, if you divide this 6 and 10 is having the common table 2. So again 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5 only you are getting. Again if you divide this one 3 table 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3 by 5 you will get. Again this one, what is the common table for 15 and 25? 5 table. If you divide this by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. 3 by 5 only you are getting. Here also 3 by 5 only you are getting. Understood? Means if you divide a fraction by using the same table, then you have to get its original fraction. Then these are called the equivalent fraction. Understood? Now, these are the equivalent fractions. Now, see, take out page number 28. Page number 28. In page number 28, do this is there. Do this. Do this. Write 5 equivalent fractions for 2 bits are there. In that 1 bit I will explain. Second one you have to do your own. 3 by 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. First bit for 3 by 5, 5 equivalent fractions you have to write. So, how will you write, ma? 3 by 5 into 2 by 2. What you are getting? 6 by 10. Okay, like that 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, like that 5 fractions you should write. Now 3 by 5 into 3 by 3, then what you will get? 9 by 15. Again 3 by 5 into 4 by 4, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. See here, same 2 after 3, 3 after 4, no need to take like that. Your wish you can take in middle also, no problem. Okay, now 3 fractions I took line wise. Now what I will do for next one? 3 by 5 into, now I will take 8 by 8. 8 by 8 I will take. 3 8s are 24 by 5 8s are 40. Now if you take 8 table and cancel it, you are getting same only. Not only, I am not saying that line wise you have to take and take, multiply. Your wish, but what the number you are taking, you should take the numerator and denominator same and you should multiply the first fraction. Understood? That you have to do. Now, one more 5 is asking. 1, 2, 3, 4 we got. One more 3 by 5 into, now I want to take 10 by 10. Then what I will get? 30 by 50. So what are the 5 equivalent fractions? 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 24 by 40, 30 by 50. These are the 5 equivalent fractions. Okay. Now second bit you have to do 4 by 7. Now which is bigger? Which is bigger means which fraction will be greater? That you have to do means you have to make the denominators equal. Okay. Now, you should make the denominators equal, then you can say. Now, see here example 1. Example 1. Razia completes 3/7 part of her homework while Rekha completed 4/4 of it. Who has complete least part? So, to find, we have to compare 3/7 and 4/9. See, Razia complete 3 part of her homework. Then, while Rekha completed only 4/9. So, which girl is completed fast, or how much part she completed? That is, so you have to, what you have to do? You have to equalize. First, you have to equalize the denominators of 3/7 and 4/9. Now, 3/7, 4/9 means you have to take the what? You have to equalize the denominators means you can do like this. 3/7 you multiply by 9. Then what you will get by 9? First, this is two fractions. First fraction should be multiplied by the second fraction denominator. That is 3 nines are 27. By 7 nines are 63. Again, second fraction should be multiplied by the first fraction denominator. That is 7/7. Then what you will get? 4 sevens are 28. 9 sevens are 63. Listen here. 63, same denominators you got. Now you can say that which girl, either Razia or Rekha, who is completed her homework part more? Which denominator is more? This one. Numerator is more? This one. So 28/63. That is 4/9 means which who's completed 4/9 is Rekha. So Rekha completed her homework part more. So like that examples you can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 examples are there. You can complete it. Now your homework will be do this. First sum, first bit I explained. Okay. Now first sum, second bit. First sum, second bit, and example sums. Examples. How many are there? 3 are there. So this is your homework. Understood? So tomorrow, in next class, I will explain the homework, how you have to do. Okay? This first one already I said. Now second and third. So these 3 sums you have to do in a homework book. Okay. Thank you, children.